Online Manipur YouTube channel swing biriba mampum na pu mukan na taram loksari ahan badam na maruoiba pawam update thamjage. Continuing with efforts towards providing succor to displaced persons, Indian Army and Assam Rifles undertook air evacuations of 96 displaced persons stuck at Phaizenjang, Chandian district since 4 May. Sentiments on board goosebumps guaranteed unedited video attest. Aduga to update amasu thamjage Spare Corps Indian Army dagi assuring locals of safety and important tasks of area domination patrols. Specifically, group riflewomen have been a force multiplier as they provide the much needed connect with women and children of villages affected by violence. Aduga to update amana 45 visually impaired children and supporting staff of Mission Blind School Kaksing, Manipur, who were rescued on 3 May. Assam Rifles finally reunite with their parents and loved ones on 13 May. Indian Army wishes stay safety. Atop update am at the frontier Manipur dagi lokachage house burned down at Torbung yesterday. Actions of fire at Tronglaubi Makhaleke between villages and the Kuki militants have ucheriba mami asi ma'am yengbiyo. Aduga atop update amana 810 temples 1310 houses of Meiteis burned in Churachandpur. Meitei Society of Churachandpur informed that attack on Meiteis localities and burning of houses in the area began at around 6:30 p.m. on May 3, informing that 8 temples and the 1310 houses of Meitei community in different localities of Churachandpur district have been burned to ashes, displacing 7663 Meitei people in the district and their home. State lands are being bulldozed by mobs. Meitei Society Churachandpur has appealed to the government to stop such illegal activities and take up appropriate measures so that they can rehabilitate and resettle in their land. Atop update ama Chief Minister N. Biren Singh dagi let us forgive and forget. Peace must come back to Manipur. Amit Shah has promised all necessary help and taking stock of situation. Government is trying to establish ground rules. Urge public not to spread rumors and cross-verify facts. Please do not organize any rallies, protests at this juncture, Biren Singh said. Video sing bibagi damak tamayampum nang po amukah na tagachari. Anouba update kita magtanong si video na channel na subscribe to biramu. Thank you so much.